What is the average of 7/8 and 3/4? So pag sinabing average, ang gagawin lang natin, i-add natin tong dalawang number tapos divided by 2 kasi dalawa lang sila. So i-total muna natin. So we have 7/8 plus 3/4. So madaling gawin dito itong 3/4 gawin nating 8 kasi madaling gawing 8 yan. Multiply lang natin parehas ito by 2. So therefore we have 7/8 plus 3 times 2, we have 6, and then 4 times 2, that is equal to 8. So therefore, 7/8 plus 6/8, so we have 7 plus 6, so we have 13/8. Then i-divide natin sa 2. So we have 13/8, divide lang natin sa 2. Pag nagdi-divide tayo ng fraction, all we have to do, lagyan natin ng 1, all we have to do is change the operation, so 13/8, so ba't naging 18? Change the operation to multiplication, get the reciprocal of this. 2/1 magiging 1/2. So therefore, the answer is 13 times 1 is 13 and then 8 times 2 is 16. Wala nang lowest term since 13 is prime. The correct answer is 13/16, which is letter A. Follow for more.